All right, we start Unit 2 by discussing about factoring. The first thing, common factors. Generally, a first step in any factoring procedure is to factor out all factors common to all terms. Example, let's elaborate this one using example. Let's see this example. Factor out all factors common to all terms. Now, when you look at this one, there is 3x cubed y, the second one is 6x squared y squared, the third one is 3xy squared. Now I can see that the common factor 3xy is common, then the remaining here is x squared. And the second one is, let me use a different color so that it will be clear for you, xy, then the remaining are xy. And the last one is 3xy common and y square, y only. Now you can see that this one, and this one, 3xy, are common terms for 3 of the terms. Now I can factor out 3xy out. So the inside one is x squared minus here, since it is 6 here, 2 is here, so minus 2xy minus y, it is y here. So this one is the final factoring for this one is 3xy, then inside the parentheses it becomes x squared minus 2xy minus y. All right, so let's use another example of factoring. Let's use another, for example, b factor again 6y squared minus y. Now you can see that the common factor in this case is just y, right? Y, the inside one is 6y minus 1. All right, let's see another example. C, 8x to the 6 minus 40x to the 4th. Now when you write this one, you can write 8, for example, let me use 8x to the 4th, and x squared is here, and the second one is 40 is, it is 8x to the 4th, and 40, the other number is 5. Remember, 40 is 8 times 5. Now look at the common term, Now when you take out the common factor 8x to the 4th, x squared minus 5. So this is the final answer for the factoring of 8x to the 6 minus 40, 40x to the 4th. Let's use another example, For example, 9y to the 6 plus 6y to the 4th. Now you can look at 9 can be written as 3. Let me use a different color for common factors. 3y to the 4th and another 3, because 9 is 3 times 3, plus 6 is, again, I can write 3y to the 4th and the other one, the remaining 2 here. Then I can write the common. Now you can look at this one, and this one is common. Then I can write here y to square remaining here. So 3y to the 4th inside 3y square plus 2. So this is the factoring of 9y to the 6 plus 6y to the 4th. Let's use another one, E. Let's see, 12b squared minus 4b minus 28. Now you can see there is no common variable in this case, but there are common numbers, right? For example, You can split 12 as 4 times, 3b square. This one is 4 times b, and this 28 is 4 times 7. Now, the only common is just the number 4, 4, 4. Then we can factor out 4 inside 3b square minus b minus 7. This is the final answer for factoring the other. But remember that some polynomial may not be factorable. For example, let's see an example of this one. F m square minus 3m minus 3. So you cannot factor this polynomial, right? There is no any common thing between these three terms, and the polynomial, you can conclude that the polynomial cannot be factored.